Wagwan viewers, welcome to the 100% Talent Show, and today we'll be having an exclusive interview with our contestants. And who we have in studios today? Dooozen. And before we reach the Dooozen, we have to big up Aqua Life, the healthier choice, the sponsor for us today. Yo, sweet class, come in and talk about Wagwan. Show them Wagwan. Dooozen, we are dealing with, bro.
Easy.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah, man.
As usual. Alright, so yo, big up yourself. Thanks for making it a 100% talent show. You know what I mean? It's a great platform, and it's a pleasure to have you on our platform also. So, somewhere introduce yourself to the audience right now, listening in the world.
Alright, I introduce myself as an upcoming professional singer DJ to the world, but not just a reggae artist, a dancehall artist, a musician. Yeah, come and play a little too, a little guitar, a little bass, a little drum.
You play guitar too?
Yeah, man, a little everything.
Oh, yeah, so
but we don't master the thing.
No master.
But a little here and there, everything. So music, we're fully rounded. Yeah, right. Try be fully rounded.
Right. Alright, so you know, tell me at what year, what time, what age, when did you realize that you need to take music serious, or when did you took music serious?
Really about a couple years back now. 4 or 5 years back now. Yeah, because we used to start write some song now. My friends them know and people around and say, boy, you're bad. Try see what I go on. Got the studio now, when you got the studio now, you don't get good critiques and people don't push and tell say, oh, do this. So you realize say, not just your friends them tell you say you're actually good.
Yeah.
That's something you can pursue.
Yeah, man. Alright, so where do you reside? Where do you represent? You know what I mean?
I'm currently reside in Portmore. I'm representing the Southborough. I look a musical community, you see me?
Straight.
Yeah, man, from where I grew, a musical community. No joke.
You have any singles, albums, EPs out right now currently?
No, not currently, but working on.
Yeah. No singles?
Yeah, we got some singles on Audio Mac.
Yeah,
but not Dooozen. You have to search it 12.
12?
Yeah, the same Dooozen, man.
Oh, okay.
That era.
Okay. Oh, we get the trick now.
Yeah,
we get the drift now. Is it me? Alright, alright, so question I'm gonna ask you now, bro, is like what inspire you to do the type of music you do? You see me? What's the reason behind it? Because we can't get up and sing about chop if we're not chop. We can't sing about gunman song if we're not kill nobody. We can't sing about certain things if we're not do it. You know what I mean? But what inspired your thing them? Because your thing them are some different type of thing, bro.
True.
Yeah. You see me?
I really get the inspiration from, as I tell you, the community where I come from and the people around me.
Yeah.
And what I see every day. As I say, on different kind of something, my life to be different.
Yeah, man.
So
with that.
probably I might end up in a situation where everybody might have sing chop or that strong topic there.
Yeah.
And me see say there's a space with this kind of music. So me will push forward and bring across this kind of music if nobody else not do it.
Right. Soulful music is what you sing. So you have the opportunity now to do a collaboration or to share the same stage with that one artist. Who would that be of your desire?
One artist, any artist?
One artist. Just that one artist. Who would you want to collab with? A collab that would change your life today, tomorrow, forever. Who?
That change my life for true, because I collab with all Bob Marley or one of them special people. You know? Them I'm respect enough artists.
Yeah, but that one person. No man. You see the situation we're in right now?
Yeah.
Remember, you know, we are going to give you the opportunity, you know, but you have to call them.
I'm going to go back at grassroots, because Busy Signal are my art.
Busy Signal.
Yeah, so if anything work musically, yeah man, Busy, different. Yeah, so Busy, we don't like to do a collab with. Differently.
Alright, so you have any tracks that you're promoting now, that one track that you decide to run with that one track there? You know what I mean? It's going to be the front runner for the rest of
during this competition or after this competition, I plan to run with the Serenity.
Serenity is a good song.
Yeah, a special song to me, so I get good feedback from it too.
Very.
So I plan to run with it. So you can look out for it sooner or later.
Very important question though. Why should people listen to Dooozen though?
For all the right reasons, because I'm a positive artist in a very negative society or environment.
True.
Especially in a time like this.
True.
Yeah. Even in a state of mind or in a state of calm, you need a rebel.
True.
Because sometimes I calm for no reason at all. When you have time when you need to fight, you need to talk, you need somebody that person for do that. Or if speak out.
True.
And me get that chance if I do that. Dooozen.
See me? Alright, so yo, make the people them know your social platforms, where them can find it, where them can find the music, everything about Dooozen. What go on?
Alright, Dooozen are just over Instagram. Dooozen or at 12 or over Facebook you got original Ocean Baker. Yeah, that I'm original thing.
Straight the original thing.
Yeah man, we not run from it.
True, you can't run from it. You don't know it represented from day one.
Said way.
Zine, so in this competition, why should people vote for Dooozen though?
Yeah man, because we bring be a positivity man. We are come with 100% talent. We have
straight
100, we not either, we not
straight
around the competition either, isn't it?
Straight.
Yeah.
And how do you feel about it thus far?
Thus far me in the competition, I learn a lot of things.
Yeah.
I gain a lot of exposure. You see me? The 100% family come like a real family. I look forward to this every week.
Straight.
Yeah.
Straight. Yeah man, and I hope the production team is hearing that right now. You know what I mean? Alright, so they're getting a good support from home, they're getting a good support in the streets when it comes to your votes and everything there?
It kind of sticky certainly because the show it not too known.
Yeah.
So more while try bring it across to them.
Then yeah, they don't know. Okay.
Sometimes I say next time see me and I get to see them back still.
Okay.
But know for the future, for next year, for the other year, I know say I go bank. This year we are putting up best.
Tough.
Yeah.
Why you never say next month and the other month and the other month?
No, me on a production team. Me just shoot out and
alright, good predictions today still. But you don't know, big up who you are big up now. Cause some people did it for big up, you know.
Alright, big up everybody. We give me 200, like, we give me 500, we give me 1,000.
Straight.
Oh, so you with your body now, but next time I'm going to see you back in a big up on yourself. Big up Southbury, big up Portmore, I represent Jamaica, big up on yourself, big up TV, and big up 100% talent to put on a show. I can't talk so much, I can sing every week for you know.
Sure.
Big up on yourself, big up Father God, make you out there do it, eh? Yeah man, Dooozen.
You sure say you're not a producer and big up no crew?
What you mean, man, help me work hard for the thing, man. Give thanks and big up Primetime Music.
Straight.
Big up Rough Nation and one go. You see me? Big up the man I say don't call them name, but them give me say the advice them.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself. Yeah, you know yourself.
Straight. That was just one of our contestants here at the 100% talent. You know what I mean? All courtesy of Aqua Life, the healthier choice. You know what I mean? You don't know, you hear it from him, you hear everything you need for hear. Check out the man on him social platforms. Check out everything we're going with the music. Wicked artist. Trust me. See me I say, Dooozen. You see me? Mad. So you don't know. We're so far. We'll take a break. You don't know.
You know, crime the sycamore, but if them so sure, it's in how you believe. Say, you have faith in how you believe. Say, it's in how you believe. It's in how you believe. Smoke it on me up. Have faith in how you believe. Say, it's in how you believe. Cause anything is possible. Go think about it. Go up on the mountain, go shout it. Almost anything you believe can happen. Just 100%, never doubt. Like two brothers in the past.